Well. Today's wheat harvest day number 3 or 4. I done lost track. But as you can see, we're in a big field right now. We got fairly long rows at 330. We're still with the 330 something acre field. We've done 188, 90, about 200 acres. We've done like 100. We're about half through with it, I guess. But yeah, the wheat is running right around 85 bushel on this side of the field. We got these long rows over here, all the way down in those trees, all the way down. But yeah, you can see the wheat coming in about this, coming in pretty good. Morse is running. I don't even know if the morse is running. We didn't take time to calibrate the combine, but you see it says 80. We do know there's 20 bushel better than this. So right here it's running over 90 bushel an acre with the average being 82. It's been 82 bushel, and right down here it's making over 70, making over 90, so that's pretty good. You know, 20 bushel off, we didn't find that much out. So that's really good. But we have, sorry. We had some interesting kind of events happen here. Well, he went down to Cargill, Mike. He went down to Cargill with a lot of wheat, and we're like on the wheat to his Cargill deliver, and that's why this wheat's going. And the truck, there's like 5 or 6 trucks in line down there, and he pulls it up. The truck got acting fine. When he pulls in the Cargill, just behind the line, and didn't think nothing of it. He gets behind the on the dump field. They go bogey on the pit. He gets up there, and the way I understand it, I wasn't there, of course. I'm always at the hill. But the way I understand it was, that's the way I understand it. And he gets up there and the transmission literally falls out of the truck. He pulled up there, they bogey, and right where they bogey, pulls up there, and literally the transmission fell out of the truck. It exploded and stepped up flying, and he pulled in, what happened, so he tried to pull up, and literally stuff wouldn't move, and stuff falls out of the truck. It's falling out of the truck apparently, and so they call a vacuum. So he calls the tow truck. You know what to do? He calls the tow truck. Calls my dad. So Dad had to quit planning. We go down there and take another semi down there. One of our other semis, I take it down there. I know the trailer for it. Dude, we're gonna pick up the trailer to unload all the wheat, and then bring the trailer back home. Well, when they did that, it messed the brakes up on the truck, and they couldn't. It screwed the air brakes up on the truck, and so they couldn't release the trailer brakes. They couldn't release the brakes out of the truck. So they had to pull the reactor. The reactor had to pull the truck on the dump pit, and unload the truck, pull it through the dump pit, and unload the trailer, unload the truck trailer, unload it, and load it up on the. Then they had to load it up on the tow truck to haul it back, and then so the Dad, well, he basically brought the semi down there for nothing. So him and Mike come back in the semi, and they come back, hook up this trailer, another trailer, and we had to shut down and walk the field. And me and William was in the field. We had to shut down because I was cutting the Dad, and he was carting, and everybody all had to shut down. We didn't have anything to shut. We had to shut down, but we had to be down by 2.5 hours. We're doing that. And we just got going here about an hour ago, running again, and got it running again. So that truck's out of commission. I don't know what's going on. They had taken down about 30 miles away to a shop, bought out, go up, where the record service is, and they also have a garage, and so they had taken down there. So they had to take it down there. So I don't know what's going to happen with the truck. We're going to try to fix the truck, or if we're going to, I don't know if we're going to try to fix the truck, but we're going to try and buy another truck. We only need 3 trucks, cut the wheat, soybeans, but you get corn, you need another truck, and so I don't know what's gonna happen, but I don't know. So we're down a truck, and anyway. I don't really know what I want to tell him. I don't know much details, but like I said, I've been doing this. But anyway, that's that. Finally about to get to the road up here. This blacked up road up here. And we're finally about to get to that. So, yeah. Got the road, and I cut some more in down the road here. Got the road. You can see the view. I got to go all the way down there. You can see how long the roads are, all the way down those other trees down there. Just maybe y'all can tell what they are. And I'm full. Now using the car, so yeah.